So as you can see, I'm starting this video from a lovely hotel here in Lusaka. I just came to check on my sister's work, but the main reason for this video is to share with you the progress at my house. So stay tuned for this lovely video. So there's a new business coming in this area of my property. Can you guess what it is? We've done these beautiful pavers and still getting ready to open, and I will shed more light when the right time comes. Okay, I'm gonna go over this catwalk and then turn around and show you what it looks like from the other side. All right, there we go. And as you can see, we've been putting crushed stone on this driveway because it gets very muddy around here. So I hired some guys to use rubble, and they took the time to crack it into smaller pieces. And this end will be the parking lot for the business. This is what the dry box looks like. It came out really good, and they are starting the pavers soon. Just compacting here, and I'll show the rest of it in a minute. That's the work that's going on right now. So those are the pavers over there, and I chose 3 different colors. There's the red, there's red, white, and black. So different shapes, 100 kwacha per square meter. That's the price of pavers. Here's our first layer of quarry. Never witnessed anyone doing it before, so okay. Yeah. before the quarry for the first section, before you start putting the...
Yeah, we just put up to here. Because that side,
Look at my beautiful cactus. I'm going to do some cutting so I can transplant it to a few other places. And these beautiful pink flowers really blossomed. We had to cut some out. There's aloe vera. So they have to fit exactly in those shapes.
yeah.
They've had to draw this water from a borehole nearby, which is a lot of work, and I truly appreciate to keep up with these beautiful flowers. And the guys are doing this pretty much on a daily basis. So I've had some successes. Let's see. I managed to paint that house. And I built that tower. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, we built that tower in the time I've been here. And the pavement that I showed you. So I've had some good successes, and of course my big reason for being here has been to spend some time with my ailing mother. So the 9 months have definitely given me many opportunities to spend time with her. Some of the epic fails, the farming that I did over there, because of the drought we harvested very little, and I was so discouraged, but not giving up. I'm gonna try another time. It's supposed to be a better rainy season this year, and so we'll see how we do with that. But farming was an epic fail.
Just come share my pillow, and rain, rain,